taking off your makeup, you really want to get something that breaks everything down. The moisturizer, the sunscreen, the creams, anything that you put under the makeup, anything that you put on top of the makeup. And for me, it's this Elemis cleansing balm. It has like such a like lemony, fresh scent, but it breaks down everything super quickly, super gently. If you're fragrance sensitive, you might not enjoy this as much, but for me, it really gets me clean without the fuss. There isn't really any of that harsh tugging, rubbing, skin feeling paper dry that you get from like makeup wipes sometimes. But this right here, I massage this into my face for 30 seconds to a minute, and it literally gets everything off. And after you're done with this, you can either cleanse your face right into the sink, but for me that gets a little bit messy, so I like to go in with these facial towels that I got off of Amazon, and they're really durable. They come in a pack with literally so many. But they're just like a staple. You can use them to like cleanse your face, clean your house, whatever. So this is what they look like. See that? She's strong. So just gonna get some water, squeeze out the excess, and then just wipe the face off. Look at that. Right off. No struggle. Clean skin. Don't forget your hairline. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. And then just get under the eye. Be very gentle. Around your eyes are literally the most sensitive places. You don't want to give yourself wrinkles on accident. Like, life happens, you're going to get them, but let's not preemptively give ourselves wrinkles. And these sheets, they kind of are like exfoliating, so you can get all that dead skin off of your lips as well. After I'm done with this, I'm just gonna go in with my typical cleanser. And these are the facial towels that I'm using. I'm gonna link them down below. I absolutely love them. I can say nothing bad about them, if we're being honest. I'm gonna go in with this La Roche-Posay Epiclair cleanser. It's a medicated cleanser with 2% salicylic acid because I'm an acne prone girly and I don't want to get set up. So for me, I like to apply cleansers onto dry skin first, give them time to activate, and then I'll go in and add water in later, just because makeup gets into your pores. It gets all the way in there, and I know people say makeup breaks you out. Makeup, while it can break you out, improper removal of your makeup can be far more detrimental. So when it comes to skincare, the girl does not play that. We're gonna have multiple levels of protection and defense to make sure that my skin looks great, beautiful, glowing, whether or not I have makeup on or not. For me, I would rather feel like super confident that my skin is like top one, A1, than feeling like I have to put makeup on. And that takes time. And you gotta invest in your skincare in order to get there. And like self-work, because, duh. But yeah, I'm gonna go and wash my face. Because I'm super extra, I go in with a third cleanser. So yes, a cleansing balm, another cleanser, and another cleanser. Because one thing I'm gonna have is clear skin. Like, I remember how it feels when I didn't have clear skin and how I feel when I have breakouts or my skin doesn't feel its best. So if I have to do all this extraness to feel confident in my own skin, to make sure that I'm not breaking down or, doing things within my power, because, hormonal acne happens every month. But between then, I try to keep my skin together. And like, look at that lather. Look at that. And these cleansers do not make my skin feel dry at all. You to the people. She's that girl. She really is that girl. She's a pretty penny, but a little bit goes a long way. Like, I promise you, your skin's gonna be the happiest it's ever been. And this one always gets my makeup off super squeaky clean every single time. Then I take another one of these bad boys and just wipe down my face, you know, pat it dry, pat it dry, pat it dry, pat it dry, pat it dry. Ooh. Oh man. All right, there you go. There you have it. And this is the skin. This is the finished product. You can go in with whatever skincare product that you're going to do. I'm about to hop in the shower. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you can stay up to date with all beauty videos from me, tailored for you. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that bell and subscribe. Thank you so much for kicking it with the kid, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.